So Laterooms is we sell hotel rooms. Historically we were very well known for doing on the day for the day, but now you can book up to a year in advance with us. We've been around for something like, I think it was 1999, the original business started, and it was a call centre. We were in lists of hotels and we had a call centre. Over the years we've moved online, and now I think we have more UK stock for hotels than pretty much anybody else. So we're quite good at selling hotels. And I'm a solutions architect at Laterooms, so I look after our APIs across all our product teams, and I also work quite closely with some of the product teams, so I know about reservations and all the PCI compliance issues we have, and how we talk to hotel providers as well, I tend to look after. So as a business, there are lots and lots of people selling hotels. So Booking.com, Expedia are huge companies with massive SEO spend with Google. Google are trying to move into that market as well. For us, we have to find our niche, a defensible position that we can work in. And for us, APIs gives us the agility to move to whatever we need to do. So it all came around originally for us because of mobile. Mobile traffic has grown massively over the last couple of years to the point where the majority of our traffic now comes across mobile devices. We had a mobile offering, it wasn't brilliant, we needed to change it, and APIs let us do that. The APIs now, because we've got them, we can do lots of other things now. We can move much more quickly as a business, and it's all about that speed. What can we do? We need to do this, let's do that, and we can do that now because we've got the APIs there for us. Apogee, we went through a long process of looking at the market when we chose an API management layer, and we had a very specific use case that we needed to do something about urgently. So the way companies like us, so us Booking, have worked with hotels traditionally was you'd make the booking with us and then we'd fax the details to the hotel, and then they get the fax and do whatever they needed to do. That is slightly mad, and it's antiquated technology, it's very error prone, and it's not ideal having bits of paper lying around. So we wanted to replace those faxes and replace it with an online solution. So we have a partner who stores credit card details for us and tokenizes it and secure, so that we don't have to worry about that. They will deal with that for us. We know the booking information. The hotel needs both parts. So they need the payment information, they need the booking information. So we wanted to create an API that would enable that. So our payment partner wrote a website that would detokenize a credit card token, get the booking information from us, and then present that to the hotel. Security around that whole thing is just the most important thing. It's sensitive data. We take it incredibly seriously. So we looked at Apogee and various other people to enable us to do that. So Apogee came out after the RFP process, and that's the first thing we put Apogee in for. So now we don't send faxes, everything goes through this secure portal, and Apogee let us do that. You wouldn't buy Apogee just to do that though. So we use it for lots of other things now. So all our mobile traffic goes through that. It gives us visibility of what mobile people do on mobile devices. We can change things in Apogee very quickly without having to change the underlying APIs, just because the product teams are working across the entire business. So their backlog of demand is months, weeks, however long it takes to do something. The mobile guys can do something in Apogee very quickly, get it to their customers without having to wait for the back-end systems to catch up. So it's all about the agility, letting us do things much faster. We've been with Apogee for about 18 months now, and more traffic is going through. So we turned on the website, and we literally went from a few 100,000 requests, or about 100,000 requests a day, to 1 million requests a day, like that. And literally, we flicked the switch, and the grass just went bam, and the platform coped. So it just kind of, yeah, it's fine. And we use it. We will be using it more and more and more. Just we can mash up some of our APIs in a different way for a provider. We can talk to third parties securely and still see what the traffic's going through there. It just enables us to do so much more. We want to work with more affiliates. We want to be faster. If you look at the stats, our website's the second fastest travel site in the UK. We want to be the fastest. There's lots of things we can do to optimise our journey. So the conversion on our website is very good. There's lots more we can do to make that better. If someone comes to us with a great idea, we will work with them, and our APIs let us do that. We did a deal with Premiership Rugby. So if you can buy a rugby ticket, and the hotel is fulfilled by us. So I love APIs because it's a way that we can expose what we do in IT. It's an easy way that we can provide services to other people, so we can share. We're brilliant at searching for hotels. We're brilliant at getting hotel details. Our APIs let us share that with people so other people can do things. And the opportunity, and users of our APIs will come up with much better things than we can do, or there's a potential for that. Someone will come up with some idea that we just won't have thought of, and our APIs will let them do that. And if we can make money from that as well, that's even better. And it's all about agility, just being able to do things quickly, and the APIs let us do that.